Now we've zoomed in and we're gonna have a look at a bit closer, like this song Budapest by George Ezra. So we'll just go play through here. You can see I'm have a capo on the 2nd fret, and this is just to bring it up to the key of A, and it's a little bit more comfortable for me to sing, and it's a brighter type of sound generally. My house in Budapest, my hidden treasure chest, golden grand piano, my beautiful Castillo. I'd leave it all. My acres of land I have achieved. It may be hard for you to stop and believe, but for you I'd leave it all. Give me one good reason why I should never make a change. Baby, if you hold me, then all of this will go away. And so on. So what we're looking at here, we have a G chord. And so what we're going to do with the G chord is we're going to play a bass, alternating bass. So we're going to move from 6 on our thumb, 4 on our thumb, and then in between these I'm going to see my first finger is going to pluck the 3rd string, my second finger is going to pluck the 2nd string, and my 3rd finger is going to pluck the 1st string. Simultaneously or all together, whatever way you like to say it. So it will be 6, then 4, and we just slowly build up our speed for that. 6, 4, 6, 4. So 6, and then we pull the strings. 4, we pull the strings. Then we switch to our C chord. So then we use 5 and 4 with the same. And return to 6. And then we can move on to D. We use all the 4s. C, we use 5s. And back to the G. So that hammer-on pull-off thing, I'll just show you that a bit closer. Okay, so we need to play 6. And then we hammer on this 4th string. So that's what we're doing, a hammer on and then a lift off. So you can see that action there. So you get 3 notes even though you play the string just once. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we fit that in. So it blends in nicely. It's sort of a happy type sound. And again, very pleasurable style to play. Used for different things. We're just slowly bringing in the different skills of our hands. Alternating thumb, very satisfying. Then the D, using the 4th string, C using the 5th string, and back. Now, I hope you have fun trying to play that, and it doesn't take long, just stick with it. That at first it seems quite awkward, but it just builds up, like all the skills, repetition, and it just becomes normality. Okay, thank you.